Guys, I'm nearly done na guys, no? Dito sa aking bedroom. So, mostly guys, hindi naman naglilinis dito yung nagpapalit sa akin. Every time I'll take over their shift. Ayan. Thank you po sa patamsak. Ayan, I'm already done in here. So, I'll put this one. Diffuser po to guys. May ano po siya, may oil sa loob. They smell nice. So, i-check natin kung everything's okay in here. Pakita ko sa inyo guys ha. Pakita ko po sa inyo guys ha. Mega shoutout everyone. Ayan. Ito na po yung room ko. The all done na. Sandali. Ayan. Ay. Ayan po. Ayan, I'm already done. I'm already over the floor. Ayan guys, oh. Tapos na po tayo dito. Ayan po, ito po yung diffuser na ginamit ko po. Ayan. They got bedside lights there and also my ZZ plant. Ayan po. Thank you sa patamsak nyo guys. Sa mga nagtambay dito, thank you so much. I really appreciate it po sa inyo. Ayan. Ito po yung aking bedroom. Ayan. Pillow is already done. Usually guys, I brought my own duvet. I got 2 duvet covers or 3. I brought my own stuff. Old-fashioned po yung room ng um, bahay na alaga. Ayan po guys. Hindi naman siya talagang fancy-fancy na nice bedroom. Hindi katulad sa Amerika. Magaganda yung kanilang rooms. Ayan, that's all my plants. Ayan guys, that's all my plants. Tapos, ito po yung bed ko. Sandali, kunin muna natin to. Ayan, linis na po dito. And then, dito guys, bathroom is already done as well, but I need to sanitize the shower. Ayan, kitchen is all done na din po guys. Diba? Ayan po yung aking plants. Ayan. Ito po yung aking plants guys. Hi Civil BG! How are you? Hi Ate Chu! How are you po? Hello guys! Thank you so much guys! Ayan. That's my Christmas cactus. Dinala ko po dito. I brought it into the kitchen because they always knock it off by the window and the flowers is come off.